All right, what you're about to see video is one of the most important skills you can ever have working with dogs. I'm going to show you a dog, Malinois, that came fostering this dog here now, and I'm going to show you 3 years old, a complete lack of interest in play. Wouldn't go after any toys, wouldn't go after a ball, wouldn't go after a tug, wouldn't go after flirt pull type of things, all of this stuff. And I'm going to show you how the dog was in the beginning, and then I'm going to show you how the dog is today. I'm going to show you this with a certain toy, and then a video I'm going to make, I'm going to show you with a ball, how he just ignored the ball and how he's nuts over the ball now, playing chase and catch with me. But it's important to watch this. The beginning's a little bit long, but I want you to see how disinterested this dog was in playing with me. But stick with it, because you're going to get to where you're going to see him today, and you're going to see the drastic change, because this dog is totally different today. Totally different dog. The confidence, the everything about this dog has just completely changed. So this is one of the most important skills you could ever learn. And it's not about a dog coming to you, showing a toy, and if the dog plays with it, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's about knowing, having the ability, having the understanding, having the skill to take a dog like this, that zero interest, doesn't want to play, and turning it on and getting it to play. And this took some work with this dog, absolute work. But the benefits of this are immeasurable for this dog. So, it's easy to take a dog that comes to you playing and go into toys, or you just move a toy around and boom, the dog goes. When you take a dog like this and you tap into the dog's genetics, and you open it up and you build confidence and all of the things that you can do through good play, knowledgeable, skillful, good play, you can change a dog's life. And these are the kind of dogs that you change the most, the ones that have no interest, the ones that don't understand play, right? It's in there, right? Malinois, 3 years old, not interested in tugs and balls and anything playing. That's bad. That's really, really bad. It's in there though, and if you can reach in and you can spark it and pull it out, you will change so many dogs. It's more about that ability to spark it and then build it than it is just to get a dog that just does it. And that's what separates trainers who's really, really good with this stuff and ones that just aren't. Okay, so here's the beginning. Stick with this. Watch this. Watch how disinterested this dog is. Then you're going to get to the good part. This is the play we're starting with. That was me. Cody. Hey, it's me. I'm gonna have to do a lot of work with him. But he's getting cool. with me. Ready? Hey. I gotta harness him, back tie him, and do some real work. I just wanted to see if he would bite. It's always a gift when they come and they bite, you know. But a lot of the dogs I get, the dogs from the pet world and especially rescue world, they don't. Malinois, 3 years old, that doesn't do this stuff is crazy. Cody! Come on, Cody. My back is so bad, buddy. I can't move around much. Come on. Come on, you. Come on, you. Yeah. Oh, my God. Come on. You're moving around a little bit, though. Oh, sorry. Come on. Get you moving a little bit. Yeah, we'll get you moving a little bit. Come on. Little movement. Come on, Bubba. Come on. Hey. Little movement, buddy. Come on. Move a little bit, buddy. Give me a little bit. Come on. Come on, Cody. Come on, Cody. Come on, good boy, buddy. Come here. Come on. Come here, Papa. Come here, Coach. Cody. Come on, Coach. Come on. So I want to try this first today, just to see if I could get anything out of him. Now I'm going to take him on a quick bike on the bike just to get him to move more. He needs to move. He's just uncomfortable in his own skin. He doesn't know what he's supposed to do. He has no objective purpose in life. He doesn't know. So we got to tap into this. I got to get a harness on him and go that route. I can do a lot more things with him, so probably today harness him up. But he needs to get comfortable in his own skin, comfortable out here, before you really expect him to turn on. But you know, 3-year-old Malinois should be going nuts with this stuff. You know, I mean, it's just crazy, some of these dogs I get, you know. So I'm going to take him for a quick, it's getting hot, quick spin on the bike just to get him to move more. But yeah, he's just so uncomfortable. You see him out here, he's just, you know. And you have to differentiate, is he not interested in the play, or is he uncomfortable? They're two different things, and you have to do two different things to deal with that. If he's just not interested in the play, we're gonna we're gonna tap into him, and I'll get him to play. I'll get him to play today. I'll get him to play in 10 minutes, 20 minutes. He's uncomfortable, and we have to deal with that. It's different. Out. Out. Down. Out. Down. Down. Key. Ho, ho. Come on. It's hot out. I know the sun came up. I know. You're doing so good, Papa. You're doing so good. Come on. Get still. Oh, I can't still. Oh, you're tired already. She runs out of gas fast. Just who he is. Oh, I can't steal though. I can't steal. Oh, I got. Oh, I blew it. I blew it, buddy. Let me come chase me. There it is. Oh, I got. Out. Out. Hold on, I get a nut. Okay. Snappy snapping. Come on, buddy. Come here. Oh. Oh. Oh, look at that. Stronger, buddy. He's stronger now. He's stronger now. Oh. Oh, come on. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Oh. Let's do it, buddy. Oh, whoa. Down. Okay. Oh. You are super, buddy. You are super, dog. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, wow, look at that, come on. That was super. Your paw, buddy. You stayed in it. Okay. Oh, there it is. There it is, come on. Yeah, nice. Good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, almost got it. I almost got it. Gotta be quick. Oh, come on, man. That was cheating. That was cheating. Out. Okay. Bang. Oh, big. There it is. That was a good stock, buddy. That was a super one. Super one. Stayed out there until I didn't go inside. Yeah. 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 Oh. Oh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Oh. He's too strong. Go up. Wow! Wow, buddy! Come here. Wow. Wow, buddy. That was super, buddy.